Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Then we are going to start a new video. Please watch the full video, like the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Adjust the shape, then select the draw. Then select the text edit. Select animal. Adjust the shape of root. Change the background color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.